Hey, travel fam. Today we are going to talk about why cheap travel can actually cost you more. So let's talk about why cheap travel can actually end up costing you even more money. Now, this might be an unpopular opinion, but sometimes cheap travel is actually the most expensive travel. And I already know it's going to be a bunch of people talking about, oh, I always pick the least expensive, the cheapest option. And that's good. I'm happy for you. I'm glad that has worked out for you thus far and you haven't had any nightmares. But don't get me wrong now. We all love us a good deal, including myself, okay? Because I be penny pinching too. But sometimes the cheapest option ends up being the most expensive mistake you could possibly make. Now, here's why. Hidden fees. The cheap flight might look good, but baby, everything that glitters isn't gold. Okay? Because once you realize that you're paying extra for bags, extra for seat selection, and everything else under the sun, that cheap flight suddenly isn't so cheap. Number two, location problems. People will often book the cheapest hotel they can find just to save a few bucks and then wonder why they spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars in Uber fees trying to get where they trying to go. Like, number three, bad experiences. And then sometimes the cheapest option just doesn't deliver the best experience. Saving a little bit of money up front just to have a miserable time isn't worth it. I don't know about you, but I'd rather spend a few extra coins to actually enjoy my vacation. Number four, no support when things go wrong. Now, this is a big one. Everybody loves to say, oh, I could book my own travel online. I could do it myself. And they are absolutely right. And guess what, though? When something goes wrong, you're going to be by yourself then, too. Because when flights get canceled, reservations get messed up, plans change, and those booking sites usually are not there to help you with your problem. And if they are, honey, you're going to be on hold for 500 hours and getting transferred, bounced around from this person to that person. So that's why it's important to work with a travel professional such as myself, because we make sure that we aren't just picking the cheapest option. We are going to protect both your budget as well as your experience. And that's why I focus on safe travel. It is stress-free, attainable, fully packaged experiences. So tell me, have you ever booked a cheap trip that turned out to be an absolute nightmare or ended up costing you way more than what you were expecting? Let me know down in the comments. This is a conversation I think we need to have. So, as always, travel family, you know what it is. You know, guys, I love you. Mwah. Travel more, see the world. I'm out of here, you guys.